Hey guys, welcome back to another video of TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your avatar in Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open your Crunchyroll application. And after opening the Crunchyroll application into your device, a lot of options will appear at the very start. You just simply have to tap into this account button in order to change your Crunchyroll avatars. And after coming into the account tab, you just simply have to click into this pen icon into your avatar. Just simply click into the pen icon. After that, you will get so many avatars to try. You can try all of the Crunchyroll avatars at the top, and you will get One Piece anime avatars, One Piece Gear 5 avatars, and a lot more anime avatars that you will surely like. Just simply select the avatar that you want to try into Crunchyroll. Then after selecting the avatar, click to this done button at the top right, and then your avatar will be saved successfully into Crunchyroll. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.